Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be talking about the top 20 Jellycat plush that are on the market today. Hopefully this will help you go out and find them. There was a lot of them that I was actually surprised that they would sell for so much. So the top 20 Jellycats, all of them are over $100 that have sold. So if you can find a couple of these for under $1 and make 100, that'll be amazing. Good luck out there looking for them. But let's get right into it and look at the top 20 Jellycats. Let's go. Alright, here is the first one. This is a new with tag snow dragon. I was going to say Jellycat snow dragon, but they're all Jellycats. This is a Jellycat snow dragon. Not a fan of the white on white. You can see it's very hard to see, and especially if you're on your cell phone, there's no way you can see any detail in this dragon at all. So I do like how they put the little like purple or pink ruler or like whatever tape measure next to it. But yeah, not a fan of the white on white, but hey, that's what Google says to put, so most people do it. I don't. I know I like the black, but anyways, this is the first one that sold for $99 and $8 shipping, so around $108. So that is number 20 on Jellycat. So keep your eye out for this dragon type creature. The next one, this is number 19. This is Jellycat Blossom Elephant. You can see here he or she has like roses in her ear. She's an elephant. Just a basic, well, kind of basic toy. Nothing really that stands out. So keep your eye out for her. I mean, look at the picture. They put her against the wall. And you can see the door frame. I mean, come on, guys, update your photos. You're gonna sell a toy for over $100. At least update some of your photos. This one sold for $119. The first bunny. There's going to be a few bunnies on this list. I was shocked that a ton of the most expensive items on the list are bunnies, but so keep your eye out for bunnies, and if you find a Jellycat bunny, make sure you look up the costs. And don't look at the bottom. Make sure you look at the top cost, because some people have just given these away at like $20 when they have sold for over $100. So this is number 18. This one sold for $119. Really cool bunny rabbit with the nice colors on this one. You see, Jellycat isn't the most popular plush, but the prices can stand alongside most of the brands out there like Gund, and it's way better than Kelly Toy and all those. So be sure to keep your eye out for Jellycat. This is a 12-inch pink tie-dye rare retired, and that's number 18. Number 17. Look at this guy. He's like a pillow pet. He's like a fluffy pillow pet. Look at that. I didn't even know Jellycat made like pillow pet type plush, but obviously they do. It says, I am a medium truffles Chaucer dog? Huh. Never heard of it. Never seen one of these. I gotta keep my eye out for them. I usually know the Jellycats by the normal, like, weird, like, kind of like bell-shaped bellies. That's what I usually find them as. But this one's a different one, so make sure you keep an eye out for this one. He sold for $125, so that is crazy. Alright, where are we at? Alright, so number 16. This is a Bashful Berry Bunny. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a raspberry bunny with a cute little pink nose. Always look for the tag of Jellycat. It's, I don't think it's ever changed in the last few years that I know of. The older plush have like corduroy like arms and stuff, so keep your eye out for them. I'll show you a few. There's a few in the list, so you'll know the difference. Those are the ones I recognize right away because they have like the corduroy arms, but like I said, I'll show you in the list. But this one is just a little 8-inch bunny, and he's berry or purple or whatever. All right, let's go to 15. Oh, here we go. There's the ones I recognize right away. These are the old school ones. They have like a corduroy. You can see the lines on the legs and arms. These are the way they used to come. I don't remember any Jellycats last like 5 years before that don't come like this. So this is the old style of Jellycat. This is a Pitter Patter Bunny. He sold, or she sold, for $129, and that's number 15. So keep your eye out for these guys. These I recognize from across the room all the time, because this is what they used to come, and these are the ones I used to recognize. Alright, number 14. This is a Bashful Kiwi Bunny. Like I said, there was a bunch of bunnies. I was shocked there was so many bunnies in this list. It's amazing. But so keep your eye out for bunnies. It says, I am a medium Bashful Kiwi Bunny, and there's the original tag. So if you can find these guys, you can make some good money. He sold both of them already for $129, so that's amazing. Alright, what are we at? Number 13? One more bunny. This is a polka dot bunny rabbit with cream dots. I believe this one is one of the ones that I saw down below that sold for like $20, and I was like, come on, it just sold for $131 like a couple weeks ago, and someone didn't notice it and sold one for like $30. So I believe this is the one that sold for $30, and it was crazy because I was looking up some other items. I was looking up, I just got another Jellycat, and I was looking up some comps on it, and I couldn't believe that someone sold this bunny rabbit for like $30. But anyways, this one sold for $131. Wouldn't it be amazing? The guy paid $31 for it, and he's just put a 1 in front of it and sold it right away. That'd be crazy. That'd be cool. All right, Jumbo Sasha Snow Gray Tiger. This is a large monster tiger. You can see I've never seen any big Jellycats like this. Of course I've searched for them, but never seen them. I might have passed them up because I wouldn't even think that Jellycat made such a large beast like this. You can see they finally just put them on the floor. They're like, this table is not working. We're going to put them on the floor and take a big picture. Oh, he's got, what is that? What's that fluffy stuff on him? Is that his... Oh, that's under his chin. That's cool. I didn't notice that. And look at his gray nose. He sold for, a best offer, so $125. So probably about $100 plus $17 shipping, I would guess. The next one. This is number 11. This is a huge 32-inch Bungly Gorilla. What a name. This one sold for a best offer of $80, but $68 shipping. So someone went overboard on the shipping. I know I can get this guy for probably like $12 shipped if you squish him into a nice bag and ship him pirate ship. But anyways, here it is. It says, I am a huge jungly gorilla. I don't know where the bungly comes from, but yeah, there's the Jellycat tag. I have not seen this gorilla either. I wish I had, but it's good to know what to keep your eyes out for when you're looking to thrift stores. Most thrift stores don't know that this guy's going to go for over like $150 or so, $140. But yeah, look at his face. It's real cool. Alright, we are halfway through the list. This is number 10. This is a Jellycat Dapple Croc, green crocodile. I would put alligator in there too, just because people don't know the difference between crocodile and alligator. So I would put alligator in the title also. But hey, he won. Whoever listed this one, they sold it. So looks like they got it from, I don't know, what is that store? Let's all figure it out. No, but yeah, not the greatest pictures, but hey, it sold. It sold for $149.99. Alright, number 9. We are getting down in the list. This is a Jellycat Dumbo Sloth. This sold for $185, best offer, so who knows, $170 probably. He has it on a Jellycat like blanket, or is that tissue paper? What is that? I want that. Whatever that is, that's what I want. I have never seen that before. It looks like some kind of fabric. I mean, I'd buy the fabric more than I'd buy the sloth. But I mean, yeah, it's cool sloth. But I'm like messed up from the fabric. I mean, that is a real cool fabric. I am a Dumbo sloth. It says, "Please look after me." I'd probably put the DUM2S on the listing because that's the way they're doing it now. They kind of have that on um, their tag, so I'd probably put that in there. But he got away with just putting that jumbo Jellycat Dumbo sloth. Probably got a notice because of that awesome blanket or fabric. I should check out the fabric and see how much that's worth. Alright, are we at number 8? 8 is another bunny rabbit. This is London. Oh, it's Jellycat London. It's a huge 21-inch candy stripe bunny. Whatever. Let's just look at it. It has a candy cane like stripes on its ears. Has a cool green bow. I'd probably put it on the like wooden stuff instead of raising it up to the white white wall. But hey, that's me. You can see it has the original tags. Most of these have the original tags. I'm shocked. Most of the time I find these I don't have the original tags, unfortunately. But hey, they still go for good money even if they're used or new. But yeah, you can see there. Got it from Barney's, New York. So, never been there. I know it's expensive, so hopefully they didn't spend as much as as $199 for it. But anyways, he sold for $199. What are we at now? We are at number 7. Looks like it. Yep. We are number 7. This is a pistachio bunny. So this one I saw a bunch of them in the top. So keep your eye out for this one. It's kind of like a weird color. The like purple background isn't helping to see the color, but it's like a greenish bluish kind of bunny. Think of pistachio ice cream, but a little bit darker. Anyways, he sold for, or she sold for, $199.99. So very nice little bunny rabbit, and like I said, I found a lot of those in the top 10. So this is number 6. This is a Jellycat Dutch Bashful Bunny. Like I said, a bunch of bunnies. I am super shocked. I thought it would be like different like dinosaurs or a whole bunch of different things. I didn't think it was going to be mostly bunnies. There it is. It says I am a medium Dutch Bashful Bunny. But yeah, I am super shocked that it's a lot of bunny rabbits. I guess Jellycat is known for bunny rabbits. Heck, there should probably be a cat in one of the top, but there's not. I mean, the name is Jellycat, right? Alright, we're on to the top 5. Top 5, this is a Jellycat Dexter Dragon. This is what I expected in the top. Would be the dragons and different, maybe unicorn or a dog or something, but not the bunnies. The bunnies have ruled kind of this list. It's crazy. But he is blue and red, and the paper was way too small for this big monster. But yeah, this one sold for $220, and he has one more left. So if you want to go buy a Jellycat, go get it. All right, number 4. Another bunny. This is a Plum Bunny. We had the Pistachio Bunny. We had the Candy Cane Bunny. We had a whole bunch of different bunnies. And this looks like the same person that had the wood from the Candy Cane Bunny. Maybe not. But yeah, this is just a purple bunny. So make sure you keep your eye out for bunnies. This one does not have the tag. So if you find it with the tag, you're in luck. I mean, this one sells for $325 as it is. So if you find one with a tag, you're probably looking at about $500. So keep your eye out for this one. This is Plum Bunny. Let me give you the tag one more time. You can see suitable from birth. That's French on the bottom. So maybe he's like a French. I don't know. Maybe that's one of the limited editions from France or something. But keep your eye out for that tag and that bunny. All right, number 3. This is Fergus the Frog. There was a few Fergus up on the top too. This is a rare discontinued plush. Perfect condition, it says. This again does not have the tag, so if you find a Fergus, that'll be amazing. Not sure what that is. That just distracted me, sorry. But yeah, if you find a Fergus with a tag, you're probably looking at $500-$600. I'd probably stick it up like $600-$700 and take offers on it if I found one with the tag. But keep your eye out for Fergus. I don't even see his like tush tag that says Jellycat. No, I don't even see it. So tush tag and regular tag, if you can find them, you're in the money. All right, number 2, one more bunny. This is Treacle. This is a black bunny with another pink nose. It seems like the ones with the pink noses go for good money. I've gotten a lot of them with the same color all the way around, even his nose, but it seems like the ones with the pink nose, is this pink or white? Whatever, it has a different color nose. Let's put it that way. This one does have the tag, and it has both tags, so that is great. It sold for $419 with the best offer, so probably looking around $400 for that treacle bunny. So keep your eye out for black bunny. All right, last but not least is one more bunny. This one is awesome. Look at the colors on this guy. He kind of has like Chewbacca vibes. Whoa, what happened there? What's going on here? Oh man, they messed up their pictures and still sold it for $745. So the one we're supposed to be looking at is this walnut colored one. Not sure why they put other pictures of bunnies back there, but whatever. Keep your eye out for this walnut one. It has like I was saying, a Chewbacca fur-like texture to it. I was going to show you other pictures of them, but unfortunately they have other bunny rabbits there. But yeah, this one sold for $745, which is amazing. So if you can find this guy out there, you'll be making some great money. I mean, you can see how how well they sold. $745 for a little bunny rabbit. But yeah, if you're going for Jellycats, look for the bunnies. The corduroy ones I figured would be in the top 10, but there wasn't any. Those are the older ones as far as I know. But yeah, I haven't looked any farther lower, so maybe they're in the 90s or 80s, but look for bunnies. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Let me know in the comments what would you like me to do next. I'm going to probably be doing some Halloween ones in the next few weeks because it's Halloween season. Anyways, thanks guys. Take care. Bye.